When a hurricane, tornado, or straight-line winds strike, when a thief wants to gain entry, when you need a quick emergency exit, when the fire department needs access, Tapco's new hurricane screen with one-handed American Disabilities Act-tested interior release is the amazing answer to keeping out what you don't want intruding your home or office while allowing emergency access and egress. Designed and built by one of the nation's leading regional window and door manufacturers, Tapco's hurricane screens provide hurricane protection, prevent unwanted intruders, allow easy escape even to children and senior adults, permit rapid access by local fire departments, are energy efficient, reducing glare and outside heat, and they are an attractive asset to any home or office. The Tapco hurricane screen can be installed directly to the window, outside on the facing, or inside on the jamb. The Tapco hurricane screen can be installed as a permanent fixture and never removed. In addition to its premium protective features, it's ideal for keeping out insects, the primary purpose of any window screen. Tapco hurricane screens provide year-round burglar protection, are manufactured from all aluminum and stainless steel members that require no replacement, are an inexpensive screen replacement that you could do yourself, are attractive and don't distract from your home, are hinged so you can open them for cleaning. So stop using unsightly old-style protection that's bulky, expensive, and hard to handle. With Tapco hurricane screens, once installed, no further work is needed. Should a storm arise when you're out of town, your screens are already in place and need no further attention from you. Allow full light from the outside, allow full use of your window or an acceptable emergency exit, give you full visibility, and require no storage. Tapco brings more than 4 decades of experience to the manufacturer of screens and windows. Our experience in this field resulted in the Tennessee Valley Authority inviting us to help write the specifications for their energy savings programs. We take pride in the quality of our products because they are made by our own craftsmen using top quality material. Our extensive on-hand inventory of extrusions allows us to begin work on your project immediately. Tapco hurricane screens, the ideal solution to permanent installation of attractive, affordable, reliable hurricane, burglar, and insect protection. Everything you want from a screen and more.